Edebo, Uncommon Matriarch, 1885 to 1967. She was mother to Edebo, Edebo, Kumo, Wosi, Ubali, Ife, and Mamu. Her children in first marriage are of Peruvian dynasty. She transformed from a debt surety to her first marriage in circumstances beyond her control. In final marriage, her children are of Ichi dynasty, all in Peruvian ruling house. Her last husband, Edebo, died in 1925 when she was 40 and she did not remarry till her death 42 years later, in 1967. Her mother was an Ondo princess and cousin to High Chief Ogunye, who was the Ojuru of Ondo Kingdom, 1976 to 1992. In 2023, Edebo's descendants are building a two-story 7-room building in her honor, on the same land Okputu allotted her before his death, in 1939. Know more about Edebo in the book by same name, on Amazon. https://www.amazon.co.uk/dp/b0c19xrbrr